In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a USB retainer ring on your Chevy Express 2500. This is going to be located on the interior in the dashboard. Let's get started. Here we are looking up under the driver's side dash, and we're looking at the back of our outlet. We're going to push on that tab and remove the connector. There's your tab. You can push down on it, pull it right out. We have two small tabs on either side of this plastic trim piece. There is one right here, and then there's one directly on the opposite side of this one. This is a very tight space. You're going to want to take your pick, push on that tab. And when you push on that tab, you're going to want to push on the back of your outlet. Now we have one side popped out. You just got to get the other. Pop both of those clips and remove the outlet. We need to remove our ring off of our outlet. To do this, this tab and this tab need to be pushed in from the inside. So we have this one right here, and then one on the other side. We're going to try and press on both of these at the same time and then push this ring down. We're going to push on this outside tab and pull down on that ring. Do this on both sides. You'll pop the tabs out of the inner pockets and then pull that ring down. We're going to install our ring onto our outlet. Take note of where these lines are. They are locators to help you install. Pull it all the way up and make sure it clicks into place. Be sure those two black tabs are sitting correctly. Get your switch lined up and installed into place. Be sure you hear the two snaps. Give it a pull, make sure it's locked in there. Grab your connector and install it onto the outlet. Push until you hear a click.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.